Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your ZTE Nubia Air. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool, because when you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more, and you definitely do not want that, because if the port is good, then you'll just damage it and it just won't work. What you guys can do next is call up somebody and try and test the mic. You guys can also test it in a voice recorder app, for an example, and you guys can find it right here in the apps. So click on accept and start recording, click on allow and go to settings. As you guys can see, it's moving, so let me stop talking. It's not moving anymore. Now when I started talking, then it started moving. So that's how we know that our microphone is working. But if your microphone is still not working, then what you guys can do is try and restart your phone by holding the power button. Now press restart and touch again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. Now, after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So, go into the settings, and in the settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see System and Update, almost at the bottom. After you click it, click on System Update, and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, we should be getting information soon about if we have the latest version or not. If you get something like your network is unavailable, then it's normal. As you guys can see, even though I have the Wi-Fi, all you have to do is do it a couple of times, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep your phone up with the latest updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.